In this video, we will learn about pensions and social security. First, pensions. Who earns a pension? Uh, in the past, a lot of people would earn a pension from their job. Nowadays, it's becoming more rare. Usually, people who earn pensions are people who work in the public sector. For example, teachers at BADA. The hope is that when we retire, we will get a pension. So what is a pension anyway? So for people who work a job that pays a pension, during your working years, there's you, there's your employer. Like, for example, for me, my employer is Boston Public Schools, the city of Boston. What happens is that while we're working, both me and Boston Public Schools pays into a pension fund. So there's a lot of money that everybody pays into. After I retire, every month, the pension fund will pay me. So that way I'll have some income even after I retire. So basically, you pay while you're working. Your company, or usually your employer, which is usually the public sector, usually the government, also helps pay for that pension, some of it. And then after you retire, you get some money every month. So that's a pension. Usually pensions are paid as a certain percent of your maximum salary. For Boston Public Schools teacher, if you start working early enough and you work long enough, potentially you could get paid, your pension could be 80%, up to 80% of your salary. So to summarize, what is a pension? Well, a pension is you pay while you are working, and you get paid money every month after you retire. That's a pension. But, nowadays, fewer and fewer jobs actually pay a pension. Next, we have Social Security. Social Security, let's try this again. Social Security is kind of like a pension. It's not a pension, but it's similar to it. When you hear about Social Security, you probably think of your Social Security number, your Social Security card. But really, Social Security started as a way for people who are older, who are retired, to receive some benefit. So just like a pension, with Social Security, while you work, you pay money into a Social Security fund. Actually, you're just paying the government, actually. And then when you retire, if you have worked long enough, then the government will pay you every month. So in that sense, Social Security is like a pension. How is it different from a pension? First, a lot more people pay into Social Security, and it is eligible for anyone in the entire country. So even if you work for a private company, you might pay in your Social Security. Actually, to be clear, just like a pension, both you and your company will pay in your Social Security, and then you'll get paid after you retire. Who pays the benefits? The federal government. So the U.S. government, not Massachusetts, not City of Boston. The U.S. government pays out Social Security benefits. To earn Social Security, you must have worked for at least 10 years. And really, at least about $4,000 a year. If you earn less than that, you're going to have to work for longer to be able to be eligible for Social Security benefits. How much you get paid? It depends on how much money you were earning while you work. the higher your salary, the more you pay into Social Security, the more benefits you receive after you retire. To receive maximum Social Security benefits, you have to work for 35 years. So Social Security is really kind of like the U.S. pension plan for people. The challenge is that usually Social Security by itself is not going to be enough for your retirement. So you're going to have to save money through other ways as well. We'll learn more about that in the next video.